So hi, today I wanna go show you how to implement this type of profile view. Here is a header, it's a navbar. Here is a block, consists of different objects, and here you can put any information, maybe photos, and so on. So let's get started. We have here on the top of the page we have header. We describe with certain features such as first I put as a color. I colored this header with my linear gradient. I put this gradient from light yellow to the light green. It is somewhere here on this dot, and also here this dot to top. It means that this color to this. It is direction to the left, maybe to the right, to the bottom also. It is the direction. So here I created different menus options such as menu, VIP status, and booster. To implement these symbols, I just chose front of a sum envelope with some colors and so on. User and envelope and symbols. So it is crown. So solid crown for this yellow crown, and here's a heart. This is heart. So they are different type data icon, yeah, from different libraries. For that I included Iconify, Fontaine, and so on. So I included libraries. So then I created this round with the I chose this picture and put the size for them 100, yeah, for full size. Width we can put here high also, like pixel. Let's take a look. It will be it's too stretched, and I will just decrease this amount. This is okay. So and the settings is hover. So next it's a block, consists of also picture. I created the shape of the frame. Also my account, describe your hobbies and so on. Email, hearts amount, views, likes, and so on. Reviews. So it is container with different file and block with certain size and margin. So here I show you. It's also a linear gradient. To left, how it looks like, you can see from dark to light. It's direction to left, yeah, this way, and colors are also then. You can see next here image, yeah. We have some symbols here, but just like a stick just icon. So next we have this shape of frame, and we have certain picture, yeah, and then description. It is the HI tag. It's the biggest size of the text string. So next one. Next goes a set of blocks that describes our likes, reviews, and something. So it's like OpenAI here. Comments. Yeah, it's like I think it's symbol like something done with this. Yeah, okay. We can interpret it some or change it, whatever you want to include. So we color it with yellow. A bottom color, yeah. Border top. We put here 4 pixel solid, yeah, yellow, then green, border top, and red. Here the border bottom, and border bottom with hover. At the same time here hover, but we have a hover like a background for these blocks. Here we have a stable position, static position for colors, for lines. So let's review the code, and here it's a small. This size of block describes this block. So let's take a look our CSS part. So for header, high, 80 pixel, can be more, but it's not desirable. We can also put here top null, because sometimes if you have here some space between, you can remove it with this command style top null. So header menu, we give this shape, then tab, it's with color. You see this for each string. We can increase size of the text. I see here it looks better. All necessary features we gave them. So we can have some hover, and we can put here also border bottom with this color green, and the background of hover block. So next action, we give here, we put here header menu. What this one? It is round circle with the number. It can be whatever you have, because sometimes if it's a booster, it is information, like a small information that you got from some other resources, and put here maybe with JavaScript or PHP and so on. It changeable, and we can here watch what script we applied. Top right 15, right to pixel. So let's make it more and watch. You see, if null, yeah, null, it means on the top without any distance or shapes. So 10 is okay. Then we rotate it. We put the during hover effect. During hover effect, we just rotate it. Well, this action we describe here. It's done with WebKit transformation, rotate, and transformation rotate. This is for browser version. This is for the standard. So next we give for text. This is block. We also give the uniform style. Here text for tags for text with hover and so on. Describe container. Of course, this is our container. Yeah. For us, this is container. We give the size, height, and width. Yeah. So menu box 300, 340 pixel, menu box icon, menu box number, and so on. Here we give them a certain size for each edge. It's for pixel solid. It's fat. And this color we give for each line. Its line here is implemented here is a line. We give 4 pixel. So we can change and get more. 9. It's also looks good. Colorful. This, as I said already, it's I posted path to the libraries for symbols, icons, and here is header with linear gradient background and menu options. And this is the main profile block with also different information and additional blocks inside, or this one. So for now it's done. We didn't apply here for now JavaScript. It was not necessary. Next video I will explain more about JavaScript, more activities, will give more information about methods. Also, additionally, I want to say about this option as a mobile version. If you click here, you will get the view of the page and like a screen. It's an imitation of the mobile screen version. And if you put here, you click, you can click, you can click. And need to be aware about the same position of each object, because sometimes if place is not enough, if you decrease the size of your screen, you see here 307, and it's with a high 636, and it means that if you decrease, it's okay. For this version of page, it's okay, but sometimes some object goes up, down, and you need to make it less or bigger, or maybe more on the top to manage your margin and so on. It's necessary, and it will be done using this simple phrase media screen and max width. I always give 1000 pixels. Some people, some developers gives 600, 800, but as the practice showed multiple times that this is optimal 1000. So you can put here block or profile and put inside. I will find first. I want to change this size. So let's make it bigger, and we will see how it will be changed. So you see, yeah, and if I remove this and remove all these additional panels for management development, you see that there is no anymore this style. That doesn't work. If you again apply, you see, so test it, try, and enjoy. Subscribe, and see you again.